Okay guys, so we accidentally already started meal prepping. We got spaghetti sauce on the stove. We are pressure cooking, our Instapot cooking our ground sausage from our pig. We're gonna make that with our baked ziti and our sauce, and then I'm also gonna put that in stuffed mushrooms. I didn't really film cutting up the peppers. I'll show you kind of what we did. But we tried this steak bite chicken teriyaki and just really loved it last night. And I said, oh, that would be so good with peppers. Austin, can you give me that bag of chicken? So what we're gonna do is we are going to do 4, because these are just throw and go. You can do it in the slow cooker, or you can do it in the crock pot. So we just got a 10-pound bag of, thank you, baby. We got a 10-pound bag of chicken, and we're gonna put about 2 pounds or so. And this is boneless, skinless, what is this? Chicken breast, which they don't look huge. We're just gonna put them right in. Actually, I think I'm gonna add this.
Sorry, there's towels in here.
So I have about 6 chicken breasts left. And you were gonna hear, sorry, I had to wash my hands. You're gonna hear noises and stuff just because everybody is putting beds together, taking beds apart. So first thing we're gonna put in with this chicken is 1.5 cups of soy sauce. Oh, I didn't even make one. Let's see. Baby is getting ready for nap time. Did Sissy get you? Okay. Let's try this again. So this is a 1 cup. We're gonna do 1.5 cups of soy sauce, and I get low sodium soy sauce just because I'm not trying to add a ton of soy sauce. They only had the small things of soy sauce, so I really hope I might. I got beds coming down, beds going up, painting being done. We are crunch time for new baby. Where should I put it? Give me a half. There it is. Half. Alright. So I only have another half. So what I'll do on this one, I hope I didn't. Did I do this one wrong? No. What I'll do with this one is I'll put on a note that says add a cup of soy sauce, or I'll just put this in my fridge and I'll run out sometime today or tomorrow, and I will just, actually that's probably what I'll do, and I'll just add another cup of soy sauce to this one. I thought I added right, but apparently I did not. Okay, the only other thing we'll put in there is a cup of water, and I'll put that on the back side of that. So we're gonna do I need to do a teaspoon. This is a half a teaspoon. So I need to do a teaspoon of the black pepper.
It's the...
Oh, I'll take that. It's okay. Thank you. Crisis averted. Crisis averted. It's a teaspoon. And teenage boys, let me tell you. We have some regular soy sauce that I don't usually cook with, but in the interest of staying in our budget, I'm going to use it. At least I only have to do like a cup, and it's not the whole thing. If I'd known I was going to be short, I would have just split this little bit, but that's okay. Okay, so after that, we are going to do sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of those in each one. We also need to do a tablespoon of ginger. There's that one. Oops, squeeze it a little bit. Okay.
Where did Dad go?
He's taking something outside. Okay, this can go back in the fridge. This stuff can be put away as well, I might use it. Never mind, this can just be thrown away. We're going to do that, and now we're going to do 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. We love garlic, so that's not a problem. Which is why I buy these big garlics, because I just use like 4 tablespoons or so in the sauce. Oh no. I tend to do heaping tablespoons of the garlic. And then we also need to do a sesame oil, 1 tablespoon. Just use it, ooh, a little bit extra. I love sesame seed oil, so I tend to be generous with that. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Now I need 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Okay, so we have that, and then 1/4 of a cup of honey. Should just take the top off, but baby needs to take a nap. That one. Okay, so you can do this with 2 pounds of sirloin steak, or you can do it with chicken breast or chicken thighs. You do 1.5 cups of soy sauce, low sodium, except this 1 cup of water, which I'll add later when I put it in the crock pot. There's no point in freezing water. 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons garlic minced, 1 tablespoon sesame seed oil mix, 1 tablespoon ginger, you can do fresh and minced, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon white sesame seeds. Now, when this is done cooking, you can take water and add 1/4 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and thicken it up. You can also throw in snap peas. You can also put, for like a sweet and sour teriyaki, you can put a can of pineapple juice or chunk pineapple and bell peppers in some of those and make like a sweet and sour, which I do have, but I'm not going to do that yet. I can always add that because my peppers, remember, I mince my peppers and I freeze them, and then I also have canned pineapple that I've done, so I have those jarred. So that's just simply throwing 2, and then I can decide if I want to doctor that recipe up. But this is a great base recipe, and then all I'll do is seal these and then freeze them flat, so that when I need them, I'll mix them up a little bit. When I need them, I just add the water, and a teenager, a husband, a parent, anybody can just throw this in the crock pot. And just like a standard crock pot meal, you're gonna do low. You're gonna do low for 6 to 8 hours, or high for 4. And that is it. And this will shred. The meat was falling apart when we did the meat last night, but this will shred, and you'll be able to, it'll go further. So that's why we only did 2 pounds, even for all of us.